Alright guys, Batten accent wall. Alright, for this wall we decided to use 3/4 inch thick by 3 inch wide MDF boards, pre-primed, and we're going to be laying them in a grid pattern. Alright, we started by framing out the perimeter of the wall, and to attach it we used 1.5" brad nails and liquid nail. Alright, next thing we did was took the length of our wall, divided it by 5 to give us our spacing for our vertical boards. Alright, then we repeated this process to install all of our horizontal boards. Alright, now that all the boards are installed, we puttied all the cracks in the nail holes and then sanded it all down. It took a good bit of sanding since our wall was not perfectly square. Now we got everything wiped down and cleaned and then caulked all the seams. Alright, at this point we got everything wiped down. I'm giving the raw wood some kilts just to kill the color before we apply the paint. Alright, the paint we decided to go with was a Tricorn black and a satin finish from Sherman. Alright, we're going to apply the second coat and that's going to finish it off. It was a quick, easy project, took about a day and a half, less than 150 bucks, and made a big difference. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. And if you like seeing more DIY videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy these aftershots. See y'all in the next one.